student Khusro Bitia, I Xavier, Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the quality of work life. And in this subject, our topic. So let us start the topic. Quality of work life. The quality of the work life and meaning and definition of the quality of work life. The present and era is a era of knowledge workers, and the society in which we are living has come to be and know as knowledge and society. The intellectuals and the pursuits and the have taken and precedence over the physical efforts. Now, some knowledge workers have worked for more than 60 hours a week, and as a result of this personal and hobbies and entities and class and with their work and life is a blend that contains all the standards and together, and hence the need to the balance work life and other related issues. So one must and have both love and work in one's and life to make it heartily. Gone are the days and when the priority of employees are used to be for physical and material needs, and with the increasing and shift of the economy and towards knowledge economy, the meaning and quality of work life has undergone a change. The meaning of the work life. The quality of work life refers to the favorableness or unfavorableness for a job environment for the people and working in an organizations. The period of specific management and which focus solely on specializations and efficiency has undergone a revelatory change. So, the traditional management, life scientific management, and gave inaccurate and attentions to human values in the present and scenario and needs of the expressions of the employees are changing, and employees are now rising on the jobs for better quality work life. The definition of the quality work life. The quality work life at statistic of human resource management has assumed and increasing interest and the importance and many other terms and have come to be used in interchangeably and with quality work life, such as the humanizations of work, the quality of working life and individual democracy and participative work. Now, there are the divergent and the views as to the extent meaning of the quality of work life. The quality work life. The quality work life is a process of work organizations which enable its members or at all levels to actively the participants participate in shaping the organization's environment and methods and outcomes. This values based process is aimed and towards meeting the twin and goals of enhanced and effectiveness of organizations and improved quality of life. The quality improved the quality improved of life at work of employees. And quality work life is a way of thinking about people. The work and organizations it discriminated and elements are the first one is the concerns about the importance of work on people as well as soon on the organizations and effectiveness. The idea of participations in organizational problem, the solving and decision making, and next the overriding and purchase of quality work life is to change the climate at work so that the human technology and organizational interface leads to a better quality of work life. Now, the quality work life is based on the general approach and an organizational approach. The general approach includes all those factors and affecting the physical, social, economic and physical and cultural. Now, being of workers, and while the organization and approach refers to the redesign and operations of organizations in accordance with the values of democrats and societies. Quality work life is a view as that umbrella under which employees the feel fully and satisfied and with the working environment and extend their wholehearted and cooperations and support to the management to improve and productivity and work environment. The quality work life is a process of work organizations and which enables its members at all levels to activity. The participant is the shaping and the organization environmental and the methods and outcomes. This values based process is aimed towards and meeting the twin and goals of enhance and effectiveness of organizations and improve the quality of life of work of employees. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. if you have any queries, and we will discuss in the solving problem. Thank you.